Red dye number 3, banned by the FDA. Source, CNN.com. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has taken a significant step in food safety by announcing a ban on red dye number 3. This widely used artificial food coloring will no longer be permitted in food, beverages, and ingested drugs. The ban will be implemented in 2 phases, January 15, 2027, for food products and January 18, 2028, for ingested drugs. This decision comes after decades of persistent advocacy by consumer safety groups and mounting scientific evidence raising concerns about the dye's potential health risks. The FDA's decision to ban red dye number 3 marks a victory for public health advocates who have long called for its removal from the food supply. Organizations such as the Center for Science in the Public Interest and the Environmental Working Group have played a crucial role in raising awareness about the potential dangers of red dye number 3. Their efforts, along with growing scientific evidence, have finally led to this important regulatory action. A history of concern. Red dye number 3's troubled past. Red dye number 3, also known as erythrocene, has a controversial history. It was first approved for use in food in 1969, a time when regulations surrounding food additives were less stringent. However, concerns about the dye's safety emerged over time. Studies conducted on animals revealed a disturbing link between red dye number 3 consumption and an increased risk of cancer, particularly thyroid tumors. These alarming findings prompted regulatory action. In 1990, the FDA banned the use of red dye number 3 in cosmetics and topical drugs due to the cancer concerns observed in rats. This decision marked the beginning of a growing awareness of the dye's potential risks. Later, in October 2023, California became the first state to ban red dye number 3 in food and drinks, further fueling the momentum for a nationwide ban. The Delaney Clause protecting the public from food additives. The FDA's decision to ban red dye number 3 rests firmly on the Delaney Clause, a crucial piece of legislation passed in 1958. This clause, a cornerstone of food safety law, prohibits the approval of any food additive that has been shown to induce cancer in humans or animals. The clause reflects a precautionary principle in food regulation, prioritizing the protection of public health even in the face of uncertainty. The Delaney Clause has faced criticism over the years, with some arguing that its strict zero-tolerance approach is outdated and hinders innovation in food science. However, the ban on red dye number 3 demonstrates the clause's enduring importance. It serves as a critical safeguard, ensuring that potentially carcinogenic substances are not permitted in our food supply. Industry and consumer reactions, adapting to a world without red dye. Number 3. The FDA's ban on red dye number 3 has significant implications for both the food industry and consumers. Food manufacturers are now tasked with reformulating their products, finding alternatives to achieve the desired red coloring without compromising on taste or appearance. Some companies had already begun phasing out the dye in anticipation of the ban. Ferrara Candy Company, known for its iconic candies, initiated the removal of red dye number 3 from its products in early 2023. Similarly, Just Born, the makers of the beloved Peeps marshmallow treats, ceased using the dye after the 2024 Easter season. These proactive measures demonstrate a growing awareness within the industry of the need to prioritize consumer safety and address concerns surrounding artificial food dyes. Consumers, for their part, are becoming increasingly discerning about the ingredients in their food.